Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys NewJeans yearbook. So this one give like the date that they debut and the year from NewJeans. So I am going to unbox this one and let's take a look. So I bought this one as a Korean store in California, and it's like brand new. It costs about like $68. I'm not sure about your place, but it's kind of expensive, so I expect a lot from this album. I mean, just like the yearbook. So here's the look from the box that I just opened. Okay. And wow, that's a lot of photo, I think. Wow, this one have like a lot of photo for NewJeans yearbook. So let me unclip this one and take a look. Here. This is Lord Rogers. Wow, beautiful. Let me try to zoom in the camera a little bit more so you can see it's better. Okay, maybe much better, right? So I believe that's one from like the moment that they debut. So this would be like the new era, 2023, I think. So I'm not sure. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, this one is like from OMG, OMT error if I think it correctly. Yes, this one like they sell like OMG jacket shooting. So yeah, this one the OMG error. Beautiful. Wow, nice. It's really nice. I think it's really worth the money because like I see a lot of photo and it's not like from a booklet, you know, so it's just like different like paperback like this. I really like it, to be honest. Like you can pick your favorite photo and then you can hang it on the wall, or you can use it somewhere else, or maybe just scanning, you know. So it's really perfect for some fan like me that I would like to use them like outside of the booklet. That's a lot to follow, to be honest. I know this video gonna be long because I'm gonna like show you guys everything from the yearbook. So thank you for watching on my video, and thank you for your patience as well, because usually like I don't make like a really long video like this, but I believe that this would take about like 10 or 15 minutes, because I just go halfway to show you guys like all the photo. But I really like it because, you know, like NewJeans, they have like all of the video, like the music video, like every single song they have like an MV, like the music video for that. And that's like the best thing from NewJeans, because, you know, like some K-pop MV, like they only have like the MV for the title song, but NewJeans, they go with the different like the different style. Like every song they have a music video. So I think it's really satisfy us, like as like punning, like I'm a NewJeans fan, that I really like it, because we can see like different era of NewJeans, different kind of like style, and like their makeup, their hairstyle, all are really cute. Like all the concept that the producer, that they're really creative to have like a new MV for NewJeans. Sorry, my English is not really good, but I hope that you understand what I said. just leave a comment that if you think the same thing for like NewJeans producer and um, like a true fan, that I think that you know what I mean. Okay, so this one is show you like NewJeans ETA cookie attention. So this include all the NewJeans title song. I mean like all the song. And yeah, I think it's almost done with the photo. And I believe this one should be from ASAP, like ASAP MV. Oh yeah, see, it's the title that they gave us, like ASAP MV. I really like this song, to be honest. Oops, I just dropped one. But I really like this song because like it's really catchy. I expect more because like as you know, like from the teaser, that when you hear like the audio, it's really catchy. So I really expect a lot from the official MV, like the audio. But so far this is really good. Like you can see it like with the MV in the photo shoot. I really like their fairy concept. Like they all look really stunning, gorgeous. I love NewJeans, guys. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. Oh my god, look at her. Yeah, NewJeans is like one of the best girl group that I have seen so far, like for Gen 4, you know? Wow, here's their logo. In the on one, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I try to focus more for you guys. Okay. Here. Here's the back. Okay. So we're done with all the photo, and I dropped one photo, but it's okay. Oh, they even give us like the other photo book too. Wow, this photo book have more of the photo from NewJeans. Wow, they are really good. Like they really love their fan. Like they give all everything from NewJeans for the fan, and that's what I love about NewJeans. They are not stingy, like the other group, that they only care about like a few photo or the concept photo. But with NewJeans, they have everything, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Wow, I'm not sure you can see it clearly, but yeah, wow, it's perfect. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, I think this is really good for a collector like me, because usually like I really like an album or a photo booklet that they has everything from your group that you like. Wow, beautiful. Oh, this one from the ASAP MV as well. It's gorgeous. Okay, done with the photo booklet, and let's take a look what I have from here. Okay. Oh my god, the other photo card. Oh my god, I really love NewJeans, guys. They give us everything that we love from the group. Let me zoom in more so you can see easier. So this, wow, beautiful, guys. Wow, Jimmy. I mean like Minji. Wow, Daniel, Henny. Wow, they're beautiful. and the quality of the photo card is really good too. Like, oh my god, they are really good. Like, it's really perfect for the photo card. And here's the back. You can see like it just gives their name and everything. But still, like, this is the best photo card that I have ever had. Okay. And here's the other goods from NewJeans that are, this one is just like penny cam. Like I think it's just like yeah, like a drawing everything. Like it's just like something really cute in my opinion, that they look really cute and they show everything about like the cute concept. And what this one, oh, they even give you like a card. I don't know, but they sound like this one is like Weaver something. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is just the card. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm gonna use this one or not, but this one is like the book map, like the book mark for like with all the NewJeans label. It's really cute. Okay, let me try to make more focus for you guys, but yeah, wow, super cute guy. Oh, and this one is penny something, penny sticker, and the sticker. Okay, let me try with the penny first. I don't know what inside this one, but let's take a look. Oh my gosh, more of the detail area. Oh, like they from the school, right? Oh my god, I love this concept a lot. Oh my god, they look really cute. When I look at all these photos, they really make me want to go back to high school again. I don't know, it's really long time ago. So that's the penny what I have here, it is. And this is just like a NewJeans sticker. Like you can put it on your laptop or your car, or you just keep it like this. Let me try to open and show you more of this. Oh my god, this one is really sticky. It's really sticky, guys. Let me see if I can open it like this. Okay. Actually, they are really elegant when they put this one into the back like this, because usually at other sticker they don't do it this way, you know. But yeah, here's the sticker for everything if you want to see. Sticker, and one NewJeans sticker in the yearbook. Okay. And oh my gosh, I love NewJeans again. This is the other photo book. See, I told you this one gonna be like more than 10 minutes. So it may be like 20 minutes. Okay, let me show you everything in the photo book. Wow, gorgeous. This is why I really love NewJeans. And the quality like of the paper is really good too, guys. Again, it's really good with the quality. Like the paper is kind of thin, but like the quality, like the image and the resolution of the photo, oh my god, it's perfect. Super perfect. I think that they're gonna be really famous, like super famous in the future. I know that right now they are really popular now, but maybe in 1 or 2 more years they will be like one of the top group in the world, just like BTS, you know. I know like it can be overrated, but so far I really love NewJeans because like they are really young, but they are really talented as well. So just don't get me wrong, I love all the girl group. Like the other girl group, they also really talented, but for NewJeans, I think they have like a lot of potential and they have like a bright future, because they work really hard for all the concept for every single song. Wow, beautiful guys. It's really beautiful with the photo book. Okay, and this one is just like the message from the group. Let me zoom in so you can read more easier. So this one, it's just like the message from Minji, more from Hain, and the other one is Henny and Daniel, and from Herin, and this one more. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Wow, I will like do it slowly so you can read it easier. Okay, so that's something from that. And this one is in Korean. Wow, beautiful. Wow, I love it guys. Last but not least, I have the order. Maybe this one is the Boston, I think. I don't know, let's try it. Oh my god, NewJeans. They really love their fan. They give us everything they have, you guys. Oh yeah, it's really hard to open too. Oh, I think it's the Boston, I think. Wow, look at this. Let me zoom out again. Wow, look at this, guys. It's really a big poster from the room. OMG. How beautiful they are. Wow, so this is the first one I have. Here's the second one. Oh my god. They are so pretty. Wow. Wow. And here's the last one I have, this. Just wow. Beautiful. Oh my god. So that's everything I have for NewJeans unboxing of the Yearbook. And honestly with you guys, this is one of like the longest video that I have ever recorded on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe more that if you want to see more Yearbook in the future, or new album from the other group. If you want other unboxings, just put the comment below, and I will just love to read all your comments. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day, bye bye.